Hey people, so I'm back recording with my Oppo phone, and it is. I think I have to recommend Oppo to people, because it's got this inbuilt filters and all, so it's really good. So you know what? Today is a Monday, and it is so rare that I have my child with me. In fact, it's like pretty much first time in 6 years this little guy is here. He's like lazing, and I'll get started with making cheese parathas and just generally pamper my child. And then there is some game. Ayush, what is that game called? Pokemon Go. Yeah, so Pokemon Go, we plan to play it also because the weather is really good outside. So in fact, it's a busy day ahead, yeah, Monday, and then there's so much I would want to do for basically YouTube and my Instagram page and all, which I will do. But right now, I think I'll get started with making breakfast and all of that. So that feels good. And this is a 1 minute video. Yay! So I'll catch you all once I get done with so many things in the day. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.